Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, thanks for your time. My name is Juanda Fawaz. I'm from Logistic Administration OB. So today I will talk about how to manage a warehouse in a logistic company. So warehouse is not just for storing, it's about managing goods, delivery on time, and inventory also. And the goal is to explain why warehouse management is important and how it supports logistics. This presentation has three parts. So what is warehouse management is? And the second, the main activities inside a warehouse. And third, one real example from a company. And guys, before I start, does anyone know that warehouse management is in a company? Nothing? Alright, let me explain. So let me start with some general information. What is warehouse management? So guys, warehouse management is the process of controlling everything inside a warehouse, such as receiving goods, storing item properly, property, tracking inventory, and preparing shipments. In other words, it helps ensure our operation inside the warehouse runs smoothly and efficiently. And this brings us to the next point, which is the reason why warehouse management truly matters. Why it matters? That's all I have to say about the definition of warehouse management. To sum up, warehouse management is more than just storage. Without it, the logistic process would be slowly, messy, and full of mistakes. Effective warehouse management helps to the one, reduce delivery delays. Second, lower operational costs. Third, improve inventory accuracy. And fourth, increase customer satisfaction. Sorry. Now that we understand why it matters, let's move to what happened inside our house. Main activities in our house. Now let's move on to main activities inside our house. Sorry. Yeah. One important process is receiving. This includes uploading goods, checking for the max, and verifying quantities with the purchase order. Another key activity is inventory control, making sure that every item is recorded and stored correctly. And finally, shipping, which involves picking the right goods and sending them out quickly and accurately. So let's go deeper into how technology support these activities. So guys, technology in warehousing. Let me explain more about how technology helps in warehouse management. Companies today use tools like barcode scanners and warehouse management system or WMS to monitor every product in real time. These tools reduce human error and improve speed. This relates to what I said earlier about timely delivery. When inventory is accurate, goods are ready to ship anytime. So now let's see how all of this connect back to the main topic. Before I start, for your information, connecting back to the main point, to return to the original question of how to manage our house, all these activities from receiving to shipping must be coordinated well. Why? Because every part affects the rest. If one fails, the whole process suffers. So let's move forward by looking at real company example. Real example, I choose Amazon because Amazon used robots and AI to move goods around their massive warehouses. Each product is tracked by barcodes and managed by WMS software. They divide warehouse into zone, inbound, storage, and outbound also. The results: fast delivery, low error rate, and high customer satisfaction. So now let's wrap everything in the conclusion. That's bring me to the end of my presentation. Warehouse management is the heart of logistics. It ensures goods are organized, accurate, and delivered on time. Without it, even the best supply chains will face big problems. So we can go to move the final part question and transition. Slide 9, question handing over. Thank you all for listening. Yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you for listening. It was a pleasure being here today. If you have questions, I will be happy to answer them at the end. And yeah, now I will pass it to my college. I'm John Davaras. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.